Here I have Suzuki Vitara, and let me show you how to use Interrupt AV screen with guidance. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen of the Suzuki Infotainment system. Let's find here and select the settings. From list of settings, you need to choose here the second tab, which is the navigation settings. Let's go to the bottom of the list, and here you can use Interrupt AV screen with guidance. So you can enable or disable this feature. You can use it on a show guidance point and dynamic route guidance. I'm choosing both. Basically what it does, this manages the priority of the information of the display. AV here stands for audio and visual. So if you are currently on a screen that is not the map, for example, you are picking a song, the system is allowed to interrupt that screen with a pop-up window or a split screen when the maneuver is coming. So it ensures that an entertainment never comes at the cost of navigation accuracy. That's why I like to have this enabled, and both on guidance point and dynamic route guidance. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.